Welcome guys, welcome to Examigo. Today we will talk about how the application works, how to use the platform, and yeah, what Examigo offers. Here you can register for free, and before you log in, you need to verify your email. This will be the landing. After logging in, you will see the steps that you need to take to really get the platform working. So the first step here is upload study material. You really cannot do anything yet. So the first thing is just upload a document of something that you're studying. Maybe it's a PDF of a summary, or it's a PowerPoint that you really need to remember. You can upload this and it will start generating learning objectives for you. Here at the top you can see the amount of documents that you already have submitted for analysis. Depends on which subscription you have, but there is a maximum amount to keep our server costs down and so we can keep everything running. After that you will have a drop down talking about the language for analysis and questions. This is a very important step because it doesn't matter what language your documents are, but this step will tell you will be your input of in which language your quizzes and learning objectives will be generated. So make sure to put this in the right language of your preference. When you see that your document has been processed, you can go to the study page and find them there and start your quiz. We will press the button Documents, and here we will find our newly uploaded document. You will see the button Learning Objectives and the goals. These are the same things. These are just the learning goals, learning objectives. And when you click it, you will get a detailed view of the objectives from only this document. This helps to keep it clear. And when you see this, you can actually select all of them, all the checkboxes, and then start a quiz. And also you can go into the detailed view of an objective, and you can really edit everything that maybe is wrongly analyzed by the AI, or you want to add more information, you can also do that. You have full flexibility. Next to that, you can also just create a learning objective by yourself or create a course. When talking about courses, this is a very handy thing. We recommend using courses because otherwise, after a while, you will get a lot of learning objectives, and you can add learning objectives to a course, and that way the application actually analyzes your progress of the course better. And it can find which learning objectives are your weak points and which part you really need to study more. Now we will go to practice. Here you will see different ways to practice. You have flashcards and you have your custom exam builder. Right now we're going to use the custom exam builder. In this view, you'll see the different learning objectives that we just generated. You can select them and just press Start Exam, and there will be an exam generated for you based on the learning objectives. Well, here you go. Here's your practice exam based on the learning objectives that you have selected. There are multiple choice questions and there are open questions. Here you see the star. You can give it a star, and that means that you will get this question again later on if you do retake the exam. For the rest, some other interesting things to know is that after the exam there will be a coverage calculated, how well you did and which learning objectives are still hard and which part of learning objectives you should learn more about. And I think this is the basics of how the platform works. There's still other functionality, but I keep that for you guys to really discover how the flashcards work. And I hope this will help you guys. And if there's any problem, please don't hesitate to contact the email contact@chinnovations.nl. Otherwise, you can go to the contact page, and success studying, guys.